Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we solve exponent equation. Okay, let's go. 9 power x square minus 3x plus 1 plus 9 power x square minus 3x equal 20 minus 10 times of 3 power x square minus 3x. Find of value x. So let's begin. Nine times 9 power x square minus 3x plus 9 power x square minus 3x equal 20 minus 10 times of 3 power x square minus 3x. This equation can be read x square minus 3x 9 plus 1, and that so become 10 equal 20 minus 10 times 3 power x square minus 3x. So that 10 times 3 power 2 x square minus 3x 20 minus 10 times 3 power x square minus 3x. Switch the exponent, ya. 10 3 power x square minus 3x minus 3x times 2 equal 20 minus 3 power x square minus 3x. So I am going replace with y and move left side. So y equal 3 power x square minus 3x. So that 10 times y square equal 20 y and move left side. Then y minus 20 equal 0. And this all over 10 y square plus 10y minus 20 equal 0. All over 10. Over 10. So that y square plus y minus 2 equal 0. This equation can be factored into plus 2 minus 1. So y is equal minus 2 or y is equal 1. For minus 2 is no solution. Replace y with 3 over x square minus 3x equal 3 power 0. So that x square minus 3x equal 0. Factor x times x minus 3. So that x equal 0 or x equal 3. This is solution. 0 or 3. Okay, take care. I will see you next time.